just got this. It's a stand-up paddleboard pump, and I'm thinking I might be able to use it for kite surfing. Let's see what's in the box. Well, there's a hose. Set that there. I don't know what that is. I think it's a strap. Set that there. It's got a manual. It's got all the stuff with it. And it's got a quick startup thing. And that's it. You don't need the box. Whoa, look at that. I like it. It's got this thing here. Let's get that off of there. That's done. I think this is going to come in super handy filling up my kite surfing gear. All right, so we got that. Let me turn this down a little bit. Set it right there so you can see it. And let's look at this. Let's see what this is. It's weird that they've got it in this. Oh, you know what this is? This is a bag that you can carry it in. All right. Looks pretty cool. So, get rid of that. This is the bag, look, and it's waterproof. So you put it in there, and then I think you kind of smush it together and close it up. It's got a little thing here. You go like that, I guess. And I guess that's how it works. We'll have to try that out. Let me set that over there. All right, this is the meat and guts here. You need this if you're going to blow anything up. Oh, come on out of there. I almost bought a new pump too. I'm glad I didn't. Oh, look, a bunch of O-rings. So it's got one of these heads on it. I think this will come off and you can screw different size things on there. This is what they usually have for a paddleboard. I mean, yeah, for blow-up paddleboard. So it's not very long, but it should get the job done. I think you just basically put her on here like this. You know what I mean? And then I think you can set the PSI on here. We're going to try that out in a minute. But let's see what else is in here. All right, so it does come with the charger cable, which is USB-C to USB-C. These are different heads that you can use. Let me show you. They got different sizes, you know, because paddle boards all have different things. So we'll put that over there. And this is like the one, this is kind of like what I've got. And I think some kiteboards have this. So I think I might be able to, I don't know. We're going to have to see if we can use this with the kite surfing gear. I don't know if it's going to work or not. Let's see if I have something that maybe it'll hook together. That, I don't need that. I don't need that. That I don't need. This is close, but I think it's too big. I think this is too big. So I don't know if that's going to work for kite surfing gear. But all right, let's take a look at it. All right, so this is the universal on button. I'm pressing and holding it. It comes on. And it's at 0 PSI. So I'm going to go ahead and pop it up a little bit. And now I'm at 13, I think I had it at 13. 14.5. And I think this is the start button. Well, we may have to do some reading on this thing because, oh, wait a minute, maybe this is it. Well, maybe I just go like this on this one again, just a regular press. Oh. So this is the one where the air blows out, and this is where it's sucking in. I put it on backwards. So let's switch it. This is where the air goes up, comes out of right here. So then we just go like this. Ready? Pressing the button. So you can see it works pretty good. So now we've got to take it down to the beach and see what we think. I'm just going to wrap this up. I'm going to grab our bag, right? And I think I might just go ahead and charge it first. Let me go ahead and put this in here. I'll put all these. I mean, I'm not going to use these because none of these heads work with any of my gear, but we better save them, right? And then these are different attachments. This is a little bit of a mystery. So I'm going to put all that in there for now, and we'll just close it up for a second. And we'll set that to the side. And then this, we want to go ahead and charge it. So I've just got to find the charging port, which I think is on top here. Oh yeah, there it is. So now all I've got to do is just plug in a USB-C. So I happen to have a bunch of them. Now it does come with this one, but since I already have one in a block, I'm just going to go ahead and shove that on right there. See where I'm going? Right in there. Bam. And then we'll just let that charge up. You can see it's charging right there. And then we'll come back and we'll take it down to the beach and, see if we can do something with it. It is a nice little item. If I can make it work for my kites, it's going to be awesome.